Okay, so we are exiting apartment number 4, going next door to apartment number 3. This is the landing. That door leads to apartment number 3, and look at the beautiful staircase and the handrails. Just gorgeous. Now that door right there leads to the attic upstairs, and then this door is where we're going to be creating the bathrooms for both of the units. So this is just an extra bonus room. We're going to split this room in half, right in the center. So we're gonna create a wall right in the middle, and this will become 2 separate bathrooms. One bathroom will be for the master bedroom for apartment number 4. And then the other bathroom will be the master bathroom for apartment number 3. So again, it's a nice big space. I guess they were using it as a laundry room for apartment number 3. But we're going to convert this into 2 separate bathrooms. I was going to show you apartment number 3, so let's go in. So we are walking in to apartment number 3. Brace yourselves. Probably can't tell right now, but it's in bad shape. The wall color originally was not yellow, it was actually white. They had white wallpaper, which turned into yellow wallpaper because the person who lived here for many, many years was a chain smoker. As you enter into the living room, and all of that is wallpaper. I've actually removed the wallpaper in one section over here. We're going to remove all of the wallpaper and give it a fresh coat of paint. You can't tell in the video, but this apartment has a very strong odor of cigarettes throughout. And the only way we can clean that up or remove the smell is by getting rid of all of the wallpaper, getting rid of the ceiling, which we're doing anyway in all of the apartments, because the cigarette smell has been absorbed into the wallpaper, into the ceiling, so everything has to be removed. And the apartment has to be thoroughly cleaned. This door, this double door actually, it's a beautiful double door, leads into the master bedroom. So the master bedroom, again, it's really big, nice tall windows, lots of light. That door will lead into what will eventually become the master bathroom. Okay, right now again it's empty. And as I mentioned earlier, we're going to split that space into 2 separate bathrooms, one for each apartment on this floor. In this apartment, you can actually see what the floors look like. So these are the original floors, but they've been painted over, it seems, many, many times. Right now it has like this brown color on it, but at some point it seems they even had like a turquoise or, I don't know, aqua type color on it, which is an interesting choice. But what we're gonna do is refinish these floors. And so we're gonna be able to see the original color of the wood. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully it'll look really nice. All right, now we're entering the kitchen. Now the kitchen is stuff that nightmares are made of. It is scary AF. Here we go. Whoa, look at that. It's like a massacre happened in here. It's a very scary space. It's also a space that needs a ton of work. This entire apartment is a gut job. Again, we're doing something similar to what we're doing elsewhere. This is going to be an L-shaped kitchen. So countertops will go this way, and then we're creating the L shape, so it's gonna go that way, and we are blowing out that wall with the 2 door frames. That door leads to the second bedroom. That door leads to the rear staircase. Now here's another really scary space. This is the one and only bathroom in this unit, and it is, I don't know what happened in here. This old wallpaper, check out that shower stall. I mean, I don't even want to go inside this space. It is filthy, it's disgusting, and everything in here is going to come out. But this is what it looks like right now. I want to document what it looks like because everything in here is going to be completely transformed by the time I'm done with it. So that's the bathroom, scary bathroom, adjoining the scary kitchen. The bathroom door will be moved to the living room right over here. So access to the bathroom will be through the living room instead of through the kitchen. Okay, and now let me show you the last room in this unit. That's the second bedroom in the back of the house. Again, it has this awful carpet, which is going to come out. And it has a closet on the right, which is actually taking up a lot of space. It's a nice bright room. That's the closet. I'm actually thinking of removing the closet from there and putting the closet behind this wall so that this bedroom will become one square space, and the closet is going to be behind this wall on the space above the staircase. So behind this wall is the staircase, and there's enough space above the staircase to create a closet. So that way we can have more room space and the closet can be on the outside. All right, so folks, these were the 4 apartments. The house actually has a lot of potential, and that's one of the things that I love so much about it is the amount of space that it has. So earlier I mentioned that each unit is about 1,000 square feet. But in addition to the 1,000 square feet inside the existing units, there's also a lot of extra space in the basement and in the attic. Now, I'm not going to show you the basement and the attic in this video, but I just wanted to mention how much space, extra space there is to highlight the potential of this building. The attic and the basement combined have enough space to add 4 more apartments. So that could be a future project for me if I want, but right now I just want to focus on the 4 existing apartments, completely redo them as much as I can, especially this particular unit. This apartment needs the most amount of work, but I see the potential in this space. And I want to document this entire journey from start to finish. As I mentioned, we're actually beginning the renovation pretty soon. Actually, hopefully tomorrow, if everything goes according to plan. And I will take you through with me on this journey so you can see the transformation that we're going to go through. I'm very, very excited, and I'm very excited to show you the before and the after. So stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye-bye.